And that's fine, Waziri, because we're already ahead of that. That is already behind us. So how much did you collect in the month of August, Waziri Zachary? And what are you doing to ring fence? Because the Act talks about the money will only be used for the housing program, nothing else.
So far we have combined the month of July and August. We have a combined amount of 5.6 billion. Of course, KRA is the collecting agent. And that money, so far we are coming up with regulations that will help in administering this fund.
Okay.
And soon we'll be calling the public to give their views on how best they feel the fund will be managed. So one thing you can be assured of, that money will go for the intended purpose.
Right.
So through these regulations, we are going to make sure that the fund is well managed.
Okay.
Maybe also to add on what my colleague here was saying, 60% of Kenyans living in urban areas live in informal settlements, live in slums. And the way they live, one person there, when he was trying to explain, and I think it was Kibra, he says he lives in a one room where he pays 3,500. Out of that 3,500, I want you to put, he also buys water and buys water expensively, pays for electricity expensively. Some of them even pays for security because they are not assured of it. And worse still, they pay to go to toilet.
Okay.
So when you combine all that, the amount could be way far above the 3,500. You could find this person is paying 6,000. But this program of affordable housing, that amount that this person pays could be paid on a long term, but that person owns through the TPS, the Tenants Purchase Scheme. So what we are trying to address, and some and Nimrod, let's all agree that the future is urban. So if we don't mitigate that future now, then we'll have a problem.
Okay.
That's why the government is really keen to make sure that we provide decent houses to our Kenyans.
All right, Waziri, thank you for that. And of course, there are many questions that the experts would want to raise. That's why we cross over to the expert studio with